Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you might have come across the terms web pages and websites, but have you ever wondered what sets them apart? In today's video, that's what we're going to discuss about. But before that, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. In simple terms, a web page is like a digital document that displays various elements like images, texts, videos, and more on your web browser. While on the other hand, a website is a collection of web pages that are interconnected to each other. It's likely that you've been browsing various websites throughout the week, and if you're watching this video, you're presently on one. So let's consider an example where you explore your favorite shopping website. When you land on the home page, you'll find numerous links leading to different products. Clicking on one of these links will take you to a new web page containing the product, and from there, you will be able to discover even more products and web pages. If the web page you visited have a common web address, that is a common web address in your browser's address bar, that indicates that they are part of the same website. However, the links on the page doesn't always have to point to the same websites. They can also link to other websites. As an example, when you use a search engine to search for a particular phrase, the result provides a compilation of links that guide you to different websites. Every day, hundreds and thousands of websites are being created. Many individuals engage with websites on a daily basis, yet only a minority truly understands the structure of a web page and the process by which it travels from a web server to display on your screen or device. Let's explore this concept further. So, at its core, a web page is essentially a text document that you can access and modify using a simple text editor. However, web developers usually utilize more sophisticated tools when dealing with web pages. So, to effectively handle a web page, it's essential to familiarize yourselves with three key technologies and understand how they collaborate. So these three technologies include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So what is HTML? So HTML basically stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This structures the content you see on a web page. It uses markup tags to describe elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and multimedia components such as audio and video. Next, we have CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets. So this enhances the appearance of a web page, controlling colors and layouts, which is often referred to as styling. So it basically styles web pages. It does this by enhancing HTML elements and specifying how they should be presented. The third technology is JavaScript. This is a programming language integrated into web browsers. So JavaScript empowers web developers to create interactive features, process data, manage, control, and execute actions. If you've ever encountered an error message for incorrect login information on a website or observed a real-time update, that's the impact of JavaScript. It serves as the driving force behind a web page, capable of manipulating on-screen content as you interact with it. And without JavaScript, websites would lack dynamism and be constrained in terms of the website's functionality. Now you're well versed in the core technologies that make up a web page and how they collaborate. But how does this code translate into the content you see on your screen? So when a web page is transmitted from the web server to your browser, every line of code is executed in sequence. That is, it starts from the first line to the last. As each line is interpreted, the browser assembles the visual components, forming the display on your screen. This procedure is referred to as page rendering, and for the web pages to appear in your browser, the response from the web server must be a complete web page. So there you have it. You've learned about the underlying technologies of web pages and how they cooperate. and you've gained insights into the process of page rendering. You've understood about websites and web pages. In the time it took you to watch this video, remember that thousands of new web pages and websites are being created. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, you were able to understand about websites, web pages, and these core technologies, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.